Hi guys, this is KEL once again. Now this is the New Age TA by Coach KEL myself. All right, New Age means something different, combining conventional and my TWB system. Now the S&P 500 index stand by for 25th of July because I believe that something big is going to happen. And let's watch this video. All right. So what happened now is this disclaimer apply as usual. All right, let's go into the detail. Now take a look at this chart here. This is the conventional chart of the Dow Jones. All right. Oops, sorry about that. A little bit of too fast on fingers. All right. Let me just bring you back again. Okay. So this is the Dow Jones. All right. On the Dow Jones chart since 2017 to all the way to 2023. I want to show something very incredible. Let's go into that. Okay. So let's take a look here. So what I did was I did this. I take the high. All right. Back in 2017. All right. Combined with the high that happened in 2020, so 3 years later, and you can see that when we extend the movement, right, this is incredible. And I want you to take a look here. Okay, so I'm going to just make it simple for you. Let's zoom in the chart. Okay, as I drag on, so what we do is that 2017 is here, right? So that's the highest point, and I basically extrapolate it, extend it all the way slowly until we see 2020 high. So you can see that, right? That is perfect. The market touches it very nicely. Now, what I want you to look now is that the point after it touches and stay below the line, you will notice that the RSI back then, the rate, it went to a high of 70, which is always overbought. And of course, the stochastic itself has came down. You can see over here, right? And of course, we know that what happened, the market capsized and the market slammed down all the way. Okay, so that is the starting point. Now, if we extend this down all the way, okay, you will notice that we have a very incredible touch point whereby the market seemingly know that this is a very important touch point. And you can see that same thing again, the RSI was a 70 followed by the stochastic pointing downwards. All right, so you have a downside about probably about 700 to, so let's take a look. Yeah, to be precise, it's down by about 1,200 points. It looks small, but it is quite big, right? Okay, so you can see that it happened again, as you can see. All right, so we're going to continue moving this chart, and you can see the amazing TA of this. Okay, wow, look at it. The amazing TA that the market, just as long as it couldn't go below it, it will stage a rebound. And of course, if it goes below it, then you can see that the selling will bring it down all the way, in this case, nearly 2,000 points. And the same thing again, the RSI and the stochastic are all pointing down. Okay, I think you get used to the idea, right? Okay, so I'm going to fast forward the tape, and you can see that how amazing this is when it goes below the red line. Okay, that's key point, right? So now why am I bringing you this? Because we can see that every time when the market goes below the red line, the selling impact itself is easily 1,000 points to as much as this one, 2,200 points. And of course, the RSI and the stochastics, both of them are pointing downwards. Okay. So now, guys, why? Let's take a look right now. What is so amazing is this. You can see the last two times when they went below the line, the market, the Dow Jones went down by 564 points. And the same thing again, the RSI and the stochastic was coming down. And it happened again, the market down by about 637 points. So if you look at it right now, both RSI and stochastics are all at a high level. Hence, therefore, a pullback, I suspect, will happen soon. So once the market loses the red line to go down by 600 points to 800 points, all this is possible. And of course, again, I don't know when it will happen. It's just a matter of time. Now, with this information itself, right, I'll bring you to the second chart, which is my TWB chart, and you combine this. Now, this is my S&P chart, all right, and every time a particular point which I created, right, there will be a point, it will flip around, and the next flip date is on the 25th of July. Now, this is very important. I'll tell you this, it's on 25th of July, okay? And then if you remember, the NASDAQ will have rebalancing very soon, and it's on the 24th of July. So whether it's by coincidence or not, we are not too sure, but I'll show something very incredible. This is gonna make you really like it. Take a look here as well on my S&P 500 chart. So this is the 25th July thingy, and you can see that that was where the S&P sold down all the way. You can see that the S&P basically sold down all the way, and then on the flip day, it reversed course. Okay, so get idea. All right, so now if you look at this, I can clear the screen a little bit. You will see the magic of this. If you look back again, wow, look at it. This is again, now this is not a TA line. This is actually a calculated level. That means that based on calculation, oops, sorry, I think that's a, okay, my bad. All right, I forgot to switch this off. Okay. All right, so what you can see right here is, right, once the flip cycle comes in, there's a usual potential of a market basically flipping position. Now, it's not 100%, but it just happened to work. And when it happened, you just have to take note. So in this case, you can see this, and then you can see this, right? And then you can see this over here. I've got an idea now? Okay, so if you look back all the way, it does seems to show now. Of course, this one didn't really turn down. It continued to go up. So we have a technical line here to remind me that if the market cannot go down and it stays above this technical point, it will go higher. So again, you can see right here itself the amazing part of this. So what I'm trying to say now, is that I believe that on the 25th of July, there will be a flip movement, all right? Most likely, the market may pull back, okay? Most likely, the market may pull back. And based on what this other boys are also looking at as well, I kind of believe that this will actually happen. So guys, this is the new HTA that I want to combine the old conventional style and mine together, and you make your own final decision, all right? This is KEL signing off. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you feel about this video. Take care. Bye-bye.